Hi guys, welcome back to the Lady and Beauty channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. What's up? It's me, your girl Melissa, aka Lady and Beauty, and today we are about to dive into this year's Beautylish lucky bag. I was able to get me a lucky bag. The box is completely sealed, as you can see. So that's what we're going to be diving in today. Was this box lucky or nah? So if you're interested in seeing what all I got in this year's lucky box, then lucky bag, lucky box from Beautylish, then you already know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, so I'm excited to have my lucky bag. I usually get these every year, so I have been getting them for a couple years now. So this year I was excited to be able to get the Lucky Bag XL. So that's what we're going to be getting into today. As per usual, anything you want to know about lucky bags will be listed in the description box down below. So be sure to open to figure out what lucky bags are, how do you get them, and all the products that I received in my lucky bag. I will also link those in the description box down below. So be sure to check that out. So what are lucky bags? Lucky bags is just a Japanese tradition that is usually done during the New Year holiday season. And it's just, mystery, because you're either gonna get a good bag or you're not gonna get a good bag, but that's where this originated from. It's just a Japanese tradition of, I can't even say the Japanese word. It's like fukubukuro, and that stands for lucky bags. So this year I got my lucky bag, and you purchase the lucky bag like the day after Christmas, and then it ships in the new year. So there's like four different types of lucky bags that Beautylish offers. And so the lucky bags from Beautylish are just mystery bags of beauty products, and they have varying values or varying, worth of products that you're getting in the bags. So there's the original lucky bag, which is $75 for $150 worth of products, and then you have the lucky bag XL, which is what I got, which is $150 for upwards of $300 worth of products. Then they have the buy one get one, so you basically pay for one. You pay the $150, but it's the original lucky bag, and then Beautylish donates one to their Glimmer. Is it called Glimmer? Glimmer Project Glimmer. So then they donate the other one to that project. So then there is the Jeffree Star lucky bag, and that is just full of Jeffree Star products. Now, the original lucky bags that are $75 are customizable as far as your shades, so you can pick light to medium, medium to deep. The lucky bag XL that I have is not customizable, so you just have to hope that you are lucky and you get good products that will really work for you. So I am excited to dive into this year's lucky bag. So let's go. Let me get my handy dandy tool here to open up my bag, and then we'll dive into the lucky bag. Last year, if you haven't checked, you can check. I think I've done this like 2 years in a row now. So you can check out my last year video, which I will be sure to link right here for you in the cards. And then I'll also have all the products listed, and then the value of how much each product is that is listed. So I'm here, I'm opening up the bag, and of course the box, Beautylish is like top tier when it comes to packaging. So this is what the box comes with, and this is the lucky bag wrapper that we have here. So that is what's in there, and it says Lucky Bag 2023. It says, now more than ever, we want to celebrate community and connection. This year's lucky bag design is dedicated to you, our global community. We hope the surprises inside serve as a reminder that we're all in this together. Hashtag Lucky Bag 2023, and then hashtag Beautylish. So that's what we were reading right there. Okay, so I am just going to sit this right here, and I'm going to dive in. Comes with all of this packaging here. And then it also comes wrapped in this nice bubble wrap. I was like, what is that again? So I can actually put the box down, and then here is my bubble wrap. I already see some things in here that I'm already like giving the side eye here. So I'm opening up. What am I opening up on the right area? Yes. And this is normally products that I think Beautylish carries. So let's see. The first thing I have here, I can tell this is something from Wayne Goss because he always has this silver packaging. So what is this? This is the Essential Lip Pencil, and this is in the shade Mauve. So just based off of that shade name alone, I know that this is probably not gonna work for me. And I was correct. So this is the Essential Lip Pencil. This is the packaging, Wayne Goss packaging, just your traditional lip pencil, and it's in the shade Mauve. So again, I will be sure to list like all of the pricing and everything in the actual description part of the video. All right. So I think I got a brush because I know this is, I think every year they always give you some brushes. So let's see what this is. Okay, I got Sonia G brushes, yay. I think this is her mini, I can't say the word, but there's a set that she has that's like the mini set. So this is what it is. I'm just gonna go to Beautylish really quick. So this is perfect for travel. Look how neat they are. And I live for Sonia G. Like I have a lot of her brushes already. So I'm excited. And actually this is one of the ones that I actually had wanted. But I didn't go through with the purchase. So I think that these are in my wish list, if I'm not mistaken. So just bear with me while I pull that up. Yeah, so this is the mini Kiyaki brush set, and this retails for $160. So in this set, you're getting a pencil brush, a crease brush, a jumbo worker brush, a soft face brush, and a jumbo base brush. So you're supposed to be getting a bite-sized limited edition set. So 5 sets. So yay, I'm excited for that because that was something that I had, it was in my wish list, you know, but I think I had watched a couple reviews and people were kind of like, I don't really know. They didn't really care for it too much, but I'm excited for that. So I'm always looking for good travel brushes. Okay, so the next thing that I see here is a Viseart palette. What is this? So this is the Professional Makeup Paris. This is the Petite for Lavender. So this is their mini petite palette. I'm gonna see how much this retails for. I can't get it out because of my nails. Okay, so it's super cute. It comes in this little packaging, so you can just kind of insert it right there, and then you pull it up, and then it's obviously it's lavender, so you can see the color story there. That's super cute. I don't really know how much I'll be able to use this. So this is what the packaging looks like, and then on the front it says Viseart, and this is the Petite for Lavender. So let's take a look here at the color story. Oh, this is super cute. Look, so you just flip this up and then it drops down, and then you have the product right there. Definitely pretty purples. Like if you don't like purples, like this is everything. So these petite palettes, I want to say they normally retail for like 30 something bucks. I can't find it on Beautylish's website. Oh no, they're $25. So here it is. I love the colors. Very nice. Yes. So not bad, not bad at all. So that's 2. Okay, let's see what else I have. I'm just going in, and this is like a hair thingy. So this is from Kitsish, and this is a claw clip. And I think every year they participate and you get something in here, because I think last year I also got I think I got the eye thing, a satin pillowcase, and then the eye cover for your eyes. So nice jumbo claw clip. So that's nice. So I got a little bit of hair product. All right, next up is the Ilia, and this is the Color Haze multi-use pigment that you can use for cheek or lip, and this is in the shade Stutter. So let's take a look. Oh, this is cute. This is definitely giving me like a nice terracotta kind of vibe. So that is super cute. So it says that, oh, and it has like this little metal tip right here as the applicator. So definitely gonna go on super, super nice. So that's nice. Heavy makeup bag. So love, love. Okay. And then I see a couple hair products. So let me just go ahead and grab those. You always get some hair products. Ooh, I got a body wash. So I got the Verb Extra Hydration Glossy Shine and Heat Protect spray. So glossy shine spray. This may be hard to see because it's super, super white. So you may just see the silver writing. So intense hydration, no parabens, no gluten, no sulfates. Let me see how it smells. Nice. So yeah, extra hydration, glossy shine, and heat protectant. That's dope. And then I got a body wash. This is from Orbe. This is the Cote d'Azur replenishing body wash. This is obviously like a small travel size. So this is perfect. I love to have these travel sizes because when you travel, you still want to smell good. I think this may be sealed, so I can't really smell, but I'm excited for that. So got a little body product. Okay. And then the next 2 products are makeup products. I have the Natasha My Dream palette, and these are like $60 or $65 or something like that. So this is the Natasha Dream palette, and then this is a lipstick from Wayne Goss. This is in the shade Hazelnut. It looks like it's a nude color, so I am here for that. Ooh, so pretty. So that's the lipstick color right there. Definitely gorge. It's a creamy lipstick, so I'm here for that, obviously. Nice. So not too shabby. I think I'm pretty lucky. So the only thing is I already own this Natasha Denona palette, so I will be giving this away. But I already own this and I love this palette. I was wearing this like crazy in the fall. So I'm just gonna cover that up. So in case you don't own it, you can kind of see how gorgeous this is. Love, love, love. So I will be giving this palette away. And then of course, it's not a lucky bag without something from Good Molecules. Every lucky bag always has something from Good Molecules. And this is the Glycolic Exfoliating Toner. Definitely something that I would use because I love glycolic toners. I have a couple that I've used from, what's that brand called? That one of my favorite is from the brand and they sell it at Ulta. I can't remember. But anyway, this is the exfoliating toner. This is what it looks like. Nice glass bottle. And then it has the blue label and it's the glycolic exfoliating toner formulated with glycolic acid and galactomides ferment to gently remove dead skin cells and promote glowing skin. So definitely here for that. Okay, and that is everything that I received in my 2023 Lucky Bag XL, and I am here for it. Like, I got good products. The only thing that is not gonna work for me is this lip pencil, which wouldn't even go with the lipstick that they sent me. But nonetheless, that will be gifted or, you know, given away to someone. But other than that, I'm here for this. Let me know. Did you get the same bag as me? Were you lucky or were you not so lucky? I would like to hear it in the comment section below. So be sure to comment below to let me know. Did you like it? Was it worth it? Whatever. Let's share your thoughts in the comment sections below. But mine, I'm here for it. Definitely worth it for me. I was lucky. So hopefully 2023, you know, like, what's up? Like, you know? All right, guys, so if you made it this far, thank you for watching today's video. While you're here, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you as part of the Lady M Fam Bam. And while you're here, just stay for a while and check out some more of my other videos. Until then, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.